Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to reset the service indicator on Mercedes ML, which is the W163, which is from 98 to 2005. There is two methods. You can do it by hand without any tools. We have that video on our channel as well. But if you have MaxiSys or you're interested in buying that, we have many videos and we're planning on uploading many more, so you can see how to use, and that thing is unbelievable. It's pretty powerful programming and diagnostic too. So what you need to do now, of course, as you can see, ours says we passed the service indicator 900 miles because it wasn't reset previously. So now we're going to select ML430 because this one is 430. And what you need to do, you need to go to service, and after you go to service, oil reset and reset with 2. You can manually reset it as well. As I said, we have the video on our channel, so you can check it out as well. Give it 2 options, guys. But if you're planning on getting into serious diagnostics, or you want something that can save you quite a bit of money for programming a module or something, that MaxiSys, we love that thing. It's pretty quick and it works great. So what we need to do now, click yes right here to agree. And now we're going to select this one. Verifying coding is being performed, please wait. Version coding has been performed. And now if we go to the oil change right here, it says 10,000 miles. And now you can click OK as well. If you go to sheet 229.5, okay, we're going to do that just to verify what it says. It's going to go ahead, clear it. It's coding now. As you can see on the screen, you can see the dashes. And now you can go back, and it's actually 13,000 miles. We stick with the 10,000 miles, so that's why we go to sheet 229.1, because this is the 10,000 mile indicator. So that's how you perform the resetting with the MaxiSys, guys. Pretty simple procedure. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.